Yo everyone, I'm super excited to record this video because I've already found only working method to get free coins and stars in Homescapes. As you can see, for my mobile devices, Homescapes application is already installed, and this application allows you to generate for your account free coins and stars. So how it's work? Basically, it's very easy method. Enter amount, credits and stars as you want to generate for our account. The next step is press generate, and everything it will be generated for our account absolutely for free. So wait to finish this process. After complete, our account will be open. Okay, it's already open our account. Wait maybe 1 minute and boom, look of this, it's awesome. Now I get free coins and stars in Homescapes. This method is updated and working in 2023 for Android or iOS devices. So how to get this application for your mobile devices? It's very easy. Open your favorite browser and follow me. Type this the Homescapes. Okay, press install. Now we must wait to finish this process. After complete of this process, Homescapes will be installed in our mobile devices. This is last step. Homescapes is already installed in our mobile devices and everything is working. Enjoy and thank you for watching.